Alright boys, welcome back to the channel, and this time another unboxing. We have been doing a lot of unboxing these days, and this is an Arrow exhaust. Arrow Works Carbon Cap Titanium. There are two models in this. One is titanium and another one is nicromium, and this one is called titanium. Video, I'll let you know why we picked up this particular exhaust, that is the Arrow exhaust. We had to look out for let's say SE project, Akrapovic and few of the exhaust, but the word out there is Arrow is the best pair for Ducati Multistrada 1200S, and after talking to a few people from SE project and Akrapovic, they suggested us to go for Arrow, and that's why we picked up this beautiful Arrow exhaust. And this exhaust cost about 1,05,000. Here is the invoice. We got a certain amount of discount. I cannot tell you, it's due to privacy. Yeah, the actual price of this exhaust is about 1,05,000. We got some discount, and this is the invoice. So let's get into the unboxing right now. And to unbox this, our weapon of choice is this kitchen knife. So let's now open this card up first, cut the main tape, okay. First of all, we have some bubble parts. These are there to protect the exhaust from damage during the transit. So these saves the exhaust parts without any damage. So let's throw this out first, and few more bubble parts. And the first part, which is it's very heavy. I tell you that. That's one of the heaviest link pipe that I've ever seen, and this is branded with Arrow exhaust cover. And yeah, this is the link pipe. I don't know how this sits, but it does look different, and with the weight you can feel that it's worth the money that you paid for. It's strong, it's sturdy, and yeah, looks neatly finished, and it's powder coated. You can see the powder coats inside, and yeah, this looks good. So let's put this here as of now. Let's go for other parts, and we have a few more bubble parts. Let's throw them aside. Few more bubble parts. Let's not get this into the field of view. And what do we have here? Well, let's tear this off to see what's there. Oh yeah, we have a carbon protector. I don't know where this goes, but this looks pretty dope. I'll put this here. And we have the parts, the nuts and bolts, and also we have the warranty card and the certificate that's it's a true Arrow exhaust. There are many fake out there, so make sure that you get this from a dealer who's a proper representative of these companies, Arrow exhaust or SE project or Akrapovic, because there are a lot of fakes that's been going around in Tamil Nadu or other places. They'll tell you that the exhaust is just 10,000 or 20,000. Don't fall for that. Go to the dealer, buy it from them. That will be the cheapest place to buy. So yeah, we have some parts and the instruction manual and the certificate over here. I'll put this aside. Few more bubble parts, and ladies and gentlemen, for the last part, we have the actual exhaust, and this is the only reason why we chose this Arrow exhaust. And the main part is over here. I'm gonna bring it out. It's pretty good insulated. So this is the exhaust. This is very neatly packed, I'll tell you that. They are closed in with their tape. They are custom branded tape, and it's bubble wrap to make sure that it doesn't receive any damage during the transit. And it's not that much overweight, so which means it will surely reduce the bike's weight overall. So let's unbox this as well. Alright, the main unit, the exhaust itself, and this exhaust is called Arrow Carbon Cap, Works Carbon Cap Titanium. So let's bring it out of its package. So I have cut the seal, the tape, and let's put it over here. And this, I forgot to tell you where this exhaust is from. This exhaust is not from India. The dealer has to source it from Italy. So it's from Italy. Let's bring it out of the bubble wrap. Ooh. Okay. That was slippery. Let's handle this with very extra, giving it much extra care. Oh yeah, baby. Let's put this aside, and the last protective cover. It's always, it's always Christmas to unpack things, and comes with a name tag which says Arrow exhaust. So that's very good, thought of branding or idea, I would say. So this is the actual exhaust, and this over here is the baffle. The reason for the baffle. So let's say you're going inside a city, or let's say you're going somewhere in the forest or some, let's say for a off-road kind of thing. So that's where baffle comes into help. When you put this baffle, the sound is really low. That means it's under the 80 decibels. And once you take this baffle out, that's when the real sound of the exhaust comes out. So I'm excited, to try this exhaust with the Ducati Multistrada 1200S. So the next part of the video will be us trying to fit this exhaust to the Multistrada at the Ducati Service Center, and yeah. Alright, so that's the full parts together as an exhaust. So this is how it will look when you fit this to the Ducati Multistrada 1200S, and this carbon part will come over here. So yeah, this is how the whole exhaust will look. So I would say this is worth the money that is paid, and the most important thing now is to fix this onto the bike, and we'll see how it sounds. So what we'll do is, this will be the end of this video, and in the next video we'll take the bike and we'll fix this, and we'll do a flyby, and you guys will get to see how it sounds and how this is gonna sound in the Chennai streets. So look out for Ducati Multistrada, which is gonna sound like nothing else out there. So that bike is going to be loud as hell, as I don't want to say that. So yeah, so with that being said, thank you so much. The person behind the camera is Akash. I'll post his Instagram link over here. Do follow him. He owns Ducati Multistrada and this belongs to him. And for all your support, I'm so happy. We have touched 15,600 subscribers as of now. And I'm looking forward, to giving you more and more content regularly hereafter. So thank you so much for that. And with that being said, I'm signing off. Thank you. Bye-bye.